Hi guys, today I have TCL 305i and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game not visible on your Google Play Store as in the main situation when you search Mobile Legends games and you don't have it. Our first step to fix it is from main menu. We must go back to from the search we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store when we press on our photo on the right corner, and now settings. In it, family and parental control, where we have now PG3, two visible game as no more Mobile Legends games, Call of Duty. We need more than PG3. To change it, we press there. Now must enter connect pin to our parental control, and after that we press on PG16. Confirm by understood and save. Now we can go back to the Google Play Store and try search Mobile Legends games, and there we have it. Right now we can install it. That's all, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!